guys, and today we're going to be talking about variables in coding. Now, so we're back to code editor. Now I'm in the artist, so that I can help you explain variables in a better manner. So you see, what is variables? Variable is a value you can store to either use repeatedly or change later repeatedly. Now look, I'll tell you. Let's say we have, we want to create a rectangle, right? Move forward 90 pixels. And then we have to turn right by 90 degrees also. And and then we just repeat the steps sometimes. Oops, I don't need to do that. No, what is happening? What is happening? Yeah! Oh, yes, working. This is how something works. So now, whatever. So as you can see, we're using 90 so many times, right? But then right now we copied and pasted it, right? But in future programs, let's say you're gonna draw, not just draw, in more complex programs, you're gonna need even way more repeated values than just this much than copy and pasting, right? You're gonna need more and more values. So right now I just copied and pasted, but later I can't have the same codes like this. So instead, you have to use the repeated values, right? So instead of using a repeated value, same and tail, instead we can just copy and paste a variable. Instead we can just put a variable. Go to the variable section and just put something that just basically set points to let's say zero, or actually let's just say 90, okay? Then you can just use points every time. You can just put the variable points. Yes! And then you can just copy and paste this happily, rather than having to think of the specific value every time. I mean, you know that it's 90 times every time here, and it's as easy as getting a variable, right? But variables can sometimes have easier values than just remember. I mean, in future big codes, in codes with a lot more code, it's easy to forget the exact values of some things. Not just this. Sometimes it can even be text, let's say, or things like that. So in that case, you're gonna need a variable, no matter what, or else it's gonna take a long time to rectify your, well, not a long time, but long time to rectify your mistakes. You see that? Simple. Well, wait, just one. Yeah, you see that? It's simple. Wait, just a second. I'll just try to write. Just as a last sign of the ions. Yes, that's better. Now, right now this seems simple, but I'll show you a more complex example that will really get you thinking. Wait just a second. Now you got to think. Let's say we're creating something like this, okay? Now, you can't just, and let's say that we have to use different values. like let's say, yeah. Now let's say that we're using 90, 91 every time, okay? Like that, okay? Quick, just go this. What? What? What is this? Wow! Wow! Yes. I'm gonna put everything near the artist. The artist can eat it. Eat this. Eat this. Now move forward. Yay, forward. But how many pixels? I don't know. Okay, fine. Wait. I'm just gonna do this quickly. Oh, yeah. Because in this case, sometimes, like, declaring a variable is just too much time. I mean, usually they just give it with you. Like, they give the block with you. Now, move forward by... But, yeah, now we have to keep on doing 90, 91. If you just want to create a spiral shape, that's how much we have to do. Wait, I'll just show you. And then we have to do 92. Then we have to do 93. And yeah, you get the point, I guess. Well, I think so. I think so. Wait, let me see. Hold on, I hope this is good. Okay, yeah, whatever. You see that? It's like getting a bit wider because of double line, sort of. So you see, we had so much trouble just putting in 91, 92 because we can't copy and paste it, right? So rather than this, trash all this. Trash. Go into the dustbin. You don't deserve to be here because you're too annoying. Annoying, oh well. Bye-bye. Another bye-bye. Another bye-bye. Another bye-bye. There. Now whatever. You have to go to variables. Yes, variables. But I didn't even declare a variable. Yeah. Now set. I'm remaining this. I mean, not remain. I mean rename. There. Now I'm gonna rename this to pixels. Yay! There. Now create. Now I'm just gonna go to variables again and just take that variable. Wait. Now it's not counter. Okay, I'm just gonna change them at the very end. Now I just change it to what? Yeah, pixels. There. I didn't even set the number for pixels. Who am I? Okay, who am I? And what am I doing? Never mind, not 660. That's too cruel. No, whatever. No. Why am I setting this here? Why? Now, I set this to this. I love this. Now, you see, we will put this to... Now, this is not a number, okay? So, let's just say 1 plus 2. Which 2 is equals to pixels. Yay! But it's not. Yes, pixels. Now, you see, guys, this is how we do something, okay? We can just copy and paste things. I mean, no, not this, not this. We have to change this. We have to change this. Change this. Yeah. So now we see, oh man, that problem again. Wait, don't worry about it. I'll just refresh my page. If you can wait for 5 decades. Yes. Yes. What? It didn't say that? Yeah. Now see. Like, finally this is working, okay? What? Okay, what is this? This is blubberish. This is just acting blubberish. This is acting blubberish. Blubberish is the worst things ever. This thing is acting so blubberish. No, why can't I just do this in my mind? Oh no. Yeah, right. So, you see, guys. Wait, let's say, like, rather just plus 10. Why too many changes? I know. This is sad. Yeah, now you get the point. Yeah. Now you see, we can just keep on using the same variable every time. But at the same time, it just helps our ease. I mean, now you can just copy and paste it. Because if you can't copy and paste it, even using the exact numbers is even harder. I mean, for bigger codes, it's going to be way harder. Trust me. It is, really is. It really will be. What happened? What happened? What happened? Please don't say anything. Yes, nothing happened. Nothing happened. Yeah. So now, like, that is the importance of variables. Wait, and also one more thing. Like, let's say you had an error. Like, you accidentally, like, started from 1 pixel. And then you just accidentally just kept on going in your head from 1 pixel. Like I can do that sometimes. Like, sometimes, if I just go through the flow, I don't even think of anything else. I don't even think if I'm doing the correct numbers or no. So then I have to put the numbers all over again. So instead, rather than that, you can just change this pixels here. Like, let's say, and also, what if you don't like 60? You can just change it to 30 just in one go. Or what if you don't like 30 gap? You can just do what? 20? Yeah. And what if you don't like this? You can change it. Well, if you feel like you have to change this, then you can apply another variable for this itself, the 10. Wow. Can you believe that? Wait, variables can actually be that helpful. So yeah, this is the basics importance of variables and how to use them and why they're used, and yeah, how to make them, like how to set variables, like make them. So you see, you have to use set to make them. We know that, right? Now, we can also change the values of variables. So these are all the uses of variables. So bye-bye guys. See you next time.